Body stiff, spine tight, energy still asleep? Let's wake everything up fast. This 5-minute flow will unlock stress in your hips, reset your spine, and clear the fog from your body and mind. By the end, you'll feel taller, lighter, and more ready than most people ever are when they start their day. We're kicking off with a move that feels like play, but it unlocks years of stored tension. Stand tall, feet shoulder width apart. Place your hands on your hips. Begin circling your hips, big, slow, smooth rotations. You'll feel a ripple through your waist, lower back, and hips, like your spine is melting awake. I promise this gentle motion will activate the deepest stabilizers in your core and spine. Beginners, keep it small and supported. Advanced stretches, deepen the circles and push to your end range. Your lumbar spine doesn't just support you, it's designed to move with flow. This reminds it how. Switch directions halfway through. Can you make it feel even smoother? Do your hips feel uneven? That imbalance might be affecting how you walk. This will rebalance it. That just woke up your core and lower back. Now let's open the hips. This move is going to unlock your hips and activate your posture muscles all in one. Step your right foot forward into a low lunge, left knee down, hips dropping forward. Right hand on your thigh, left hand reaches up and twists across your body. You'll feel a deep pull in the front of the left hip and a spiral through the spine. I promise twisting through the thoracic spine will improve your breathing and reduce shoulder stiffness later today. Beginners, keep hand on thigh. Advanced stretches, plant hand on floor and reach the other arm up and back. Did you know most spinal twists start in the mid-back, not the lower spine? That's the key to unlocking real mobility. Hold and twist just 1 inch deeper. Breathe into the twist. Feel the tightness in your back. That's your stress leaving your body. Let's bring that same energy to the other side. Now it's the left side's turn. Don't be surprised if one side feels tighter. Left foot forward, right knee down. Drop the hips forward. Left hand on thigh. Right arm twisting up and across the body. You'll feel your entire hip flexor chain lengthening and the spine rotating from the center. Beginners, stay upright. Advanced stretches, reach up and back. Open the heart to the sky. Later this week, this twist will feel easier, and that's when you know your spine is getting healthier. Close your eyes and twist. If you close your eyes and twist, can you hold your balance? Did that side feel stickier? That's your daily reminder that mobility is a journey, not a destination. That unlocked your hips. Now let's drop down and go deeper. This move is criminally underrated, and it might be exactly what your hips have been begging for. Sit with knees bent, feet wider than hips. Keep hands behind you for support. Drop your right knee towards your left foot, and come back to center, and drop your left knee towards your right foot. Keep alternating. You'll feel a stretch deep in the hips and a release through the socket. I promise this will help you walk, squat, and sit with better alignment all day. Beginners, use hands for support. Advanced stretches, try it hands-free and slow down the reps. Here's a surprising fact. Tight internal rotation is one of the biggest reasons people experience lower back and knee pain. And they never realize it. Hold each side for a 3-second pause. Feel the resistance? That's exactly what we're working through. Is one hip more restricted? Let that side guide your focus this week. Your hips are moving smooth already. Let's release that shoulder tension next. This one seems simple, but don't skip it. It resets how your neck and shoulders sit for the entire day. Stand tall or sit. Inhale, shrug your shoulders up to your ears. Exhale, roll them back and down. Repeat with rolls forward, then backward. You'll feel a melting sensation as tension rolls off your traps and out of your neck. I promise this will help prevent midday headaches and tightness caused by screens. Beginners keep movements gentle. Advanced stretches add arm circles and resistance band rolls. Here's another surprising fact. This stretch stimulates your vagus nerve, reducing anxiety and boosting calm. Can you make your next roll slower than the last? Are your ears creeping up to your shoulders again? Roll them back down. Reset. Upper body tension gone. Now let's lengthen through the side body. This stretch will finish what others started. It opens space for breath, calm, and energy. Stand tall, arms overhead. Grab your left wrist with your right hand. Gently lean to the right, breathing into the left rib. Switch sides halfway. You're going to feel a beautiful lengthening from hip to rib cage, spine to shoulder. I promise this will decompress your entire torso and help you breathe deeper throughout the day. Beginners keep hands at heart center and lean. Advanced stretches add a back bend at the end of each side. Final challenge. Can you hold for 5 more seconds and breathe deeper than you have all morning? Feel that stretch wrapping around your ribs. That's your breath expanding your posture. You already won today just by showing up. But if you spend hours at a desk, your body needs more than 5 minutes. That's why I created the 3-day reset, a free plan to keep your body pain-free, mobile, and strong all day. Click the link now before your body forgets what it just unlocked. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.